I don't have my mic muff on. I left it home. Didn't lose it. I took it off and I used a lavalier mic. Time to charge the bad boy. I'm down to like 16%. I'm not sure what's happening ahead, but the guy's riding all over the road. We'll catch up. We'll see what he's pulling in a few seconds. Pulling his whole house, man. He's mumbling something in his tongue, which I have no idea. Yeah, man. You see it all here. Whatever you want to see, just put a chair down and have a seat. And you see it all. Don't even have to flip the channel. The tide is high. Yeah, like I said, you see it all, man. I made it down. I'm riding along. I'm getting there where I need to be at. We're gonna pull over to the side. I watched the video and I feel sorry for the guy. His product gave. And he got an extended warranty and he can't use the extended warranty and he missed his return period. But I'm no longer interested in that product, and I put my own back on and I got these little lines. I'm not sure what's happened. Maybe I have a setting on wrong, maybe I did something wrong, maybe it needs to be figured out. I'm pressing the wrong button. I'm trying to hit the record button to get things started. And I got a wet seat. I changed over so this way maybe it'll look a little brighter for you. I'm gonna pack on up. I'm gonna get on out of here and get to where I need to be at. Take care of my day. Nice slow ride going home. I got emails to answer, notes to answer, I call them. Yeah, I got to do an edit and finish up on one and get one started. I told you, the family's out, man. Get my butt going. Watch out for the people who walk that don't look. You're home. Make it wherever you put your feet down and plant them down. Yeah, man. You gotta look where you walk. Don't turn your head. Must be nailed. My raised flower bed. I took it apart. I got rid of it. Dismantled it for the reasons of don't use it anymore. Nothing's growing anymore. Not having a good time with it. A vegetable garden, all the red barrels that I got out there, the planters. I've taken everything out except for a couple of beefsteak tomato plants, and they're not doing well at all. But they got some that may grow and turn red. And then my peppers. I transplanted and put some in the red barrel, the planters. And yeah, man, I got 2 yellow peppers ready to pick. And I can't wait for sausages and peppers this fall, man. Cleanup time, that's what it's about. You don't clean up, you're not gonna have fun. You still wear your Speedos? Let's get on out of here, get on where we need to be going at. Get on home. Oh, I gotta stop. I gotta show you something. Almost looks like what I had, man. Yeah, I had one of these. And yeah, man, mine was in excellent shape. It had a brush bar, Nerf bar, sunroof. It had everything on it. Even put a rear hitch I made myself. And I love that car. Now, things I didn't love about it. Come back for more. My channel was rocking. Sure was. Still is. Still can. Yes, indeed. I'm going up this road because the last road I went down I didn't like. It was all bumpy, choppy, broken up, like somebody didn't do a good job. Let me turn my camera slowly around. Now, those are canna lilies right there. Canna lilies, man, those are nice canna lilies. How come mine don't look like that? Why? Why don't they look like that, Ohio Fred? Well, I said a lot, did a lot, shit a lot, showed a lot, talked a lot, most of all. And on that note, I'm Fish. I'm getting on out of here.